and you will never break your plastic drilling a hole. As a final step, use a very sharp knife, and then I put on my micropore tape, and then I'll put in my garbage bag liner, and it's ready to go. Alright, so this is how I make my mono tubs for growing mushrooms. I've just got this plastic bin. It's a type A. I got this from Canadian Tire. I've already marked on the sides where I'm going to drill my holes. 4.5 inches up, 4.5 inches in. On the ends, I am doing the hole closer to the top. That way, as the gases rise, they can come out the top holes and fresh air can be brought in through the lower holes. And I'm going to show you how to drill these holes without breaking plastic. I'm sure you've seen in many videos, people are just drilling through the plastic and it ends up cracking. So when I'm drilling my holes through here, as you can see, there's a bunch of holes drilled in this wood already. I'll use a fresh side. You just need to put a piece of wood backing, line up your center part of your wood. This is just a wood cutting hole saw drill bit. Line up your drill bit on the crosshairs that you've drawn and just drill into the wood block behind it, pushing against it with your hand. And you will never break your plastic drilling a hole, whether it's a hole saw or just a normal drill bit. Anytime you're drilling plastic, just don't push against it. Use something as a backing, some kind of a piece of wood. And every time, you will get perfect results. As a final step, use a very sharp knife, and as you can see, it leaves all these burrs. So if you just carefully drag your knife on a little bit of an angle around the hole, it cuts all that burr right off of there. And then you're good to go. You've got a nice, smooth, clean hole that you can put your micropore tape over, and you're good to go. If you like this, make sure to subscribe, please. I'm really trying to grow the channel and provide great content, as well as growing mushrooms in as interesting ways as possible, outside the box type of stuff, to see what's really possible with this stuff. So like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Alright, so the final step I do after I drill all the holes is I take some 70% isopropyl alcohol and I wipe down the hole inside of the lid and the container with alcohol to sterilize it all. And then I put on my micropore tape, and then I'll put in my garbage bag liner, and it's ready to grow.